Yeah. Sanbonani. It's not a normal episode. This is just me coming to you to say I really do appreciate you. If you don't know who am I, igama lami nguZandi Isibongo Umfeka, ngiyilo sisilo ohosta le show le ebizwa nge Meaningful Conversations with uZandi Mfeka. I remember back in February when I started, on my birthday by the way, when I started shooting. Well, I started shooting in January, but when I started episode, there was a lot of criticism, some from the people that I know, because I'm doing educational content, right? I remember somebody asked me, Zandi, why are you wasting so much resources and quality work on doing educational content? Because educational content, abantu abanandaba na, bafuna ukuhleka abantu, bafuna ukukhuluma ngocansi abantu. And I was like, maybe I've got a different vision than yours. If you want to follow me and support me, do follow me and support me. But if you feel which educational content is a waste of time, then let be it. You are not going to come and tell me I'm wasting my time, because my time is very precious. I am wasting my time. Well, if it's the time that is wasted, then it's mine. Right? So I am here to appreciate everyone that follows me, everyone that watches this podcast. I see growth, and it's humbling. It is humbling. We are sitting on 5,000 views currently. That is our first milestone on subscribers. And izindaba ezimnandi nezinhle ukuthi manje usungakwazi ukuthenga i-channel membership, which is only 29 rand per month. I-channel membership ke iza nama packs amaningi. Okokuqala, you'll have access to our content earlier before everybody else. Okwesibili, I do events are very educational, aphambili aphezulu njabo asemgangathweni, so wena ungazithola nje ungena mahala kuloma events. Okwesithathu ukuthi there is merchandise that is coming. Keep your eyes on the space and watch for that merch that is coming. There is a lot more that I would like to do for people, but I need support yabantu ukuze ngikwazi ukwenza. There are people unemployed. There are people, well, some of you do know ukuthi I'm also a philanthropist. There are people engithanda ukubasiza, and inhloso yami mangiqala le podcast as educational, ngangifisa ukuthi ngamzwane sengiqala kuba khona YouTube angipha kona, ngikwazi ukuthi lokho ngidlulisele kwabanye abakudingayo more than me. So ngicabanga ukuthi loso sikhathi sesifikile. Niyabona episode siyakhuluma ngama conditions abantu abaphethe, siyakhuluma ngabantu abaphila in marginalized, mangabe singakusho ngolimi lwesingisi marginalized communities, ukuthi ama communities lawa esingawa understand ukuthi aphila kanjani. So siyakhuluma ngalezo zinto. Ngiyacela ukuthi ningisupport by a channel membership, buy i-super thanks ungasipha noma imalini ofisa ukuyifaka ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngiyishare lo mali leyo nalabo bantu abayidingayo. And ngizobuya futhi kwi-podcast ngizosho ukuthi ama-super thanks engiwatholile enze malini, and out of that amount engizobe ngiyenzile, obani engizoya kubasiza ngalawo ma-super thanks, obani engizoya kubasiza ngalawo ma-channel memberships. The reason ke ngingathandi ukuthi the philanthropic work engiyenzayo ngijwayele ukuyifaka on camera is because mangisiza abantu isikhathi esiningi ngisuke ngenzeli, angisho ukuthi abakwenza abakufaka iCamera basuke benzela ukubukwa, kodwa mina my motto is you don't help umuntu o in need and make noise about it. Rather let that person omsizile kuwo yena owenza a noise about it, or okucelayo ukuthi umenzele that noise about it. Yabo, that is me. Mina ngikholelwa kuloko, angisho ukuthi abakwenza ukurong. Okay? And ngicela nje ukubonga i-support from each and every person who started following me while I was still doing entertainment, which ayizange ibe popular that much, because vele inhloso ukuthi mengifika ku-1000 ngizoqala i-podcast. Ngiyababonga labo bantu because they've been there with me from the beginning. Ngibonge abantu abangijoyine sengiqala i-podcast because they were interested in conversations as educational. I do appreciate and love you so much. Ngicela ukubonga, there are some content creators. I've just had a shoot right now with uMagathani, mazi ngoMagathani ku YouTube. Those are people who are supporting me, who are following me, who are watching the episode. Ngiyababonga kakhulu. Ngicela ukubonga ngokukhethekile nje. Uphindile Dlamini, a lot of you nimazi ngo Darkberry TV on YouTube. She is my girl. She's just one of my supporters who is always in my case with my content and is really supportive. OG Media, Obake, baby girl, I love you so much. I know you You are like, I am here. Notification gang is here, Sister Sandy. We are here, we're watching, we are supporting, we are rooting for you. Mam Kopozi TV, I can see you. I see you, baby. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. There are new things that are coming up. Ngiyafisa ukuthi ngabe ngishutha almost often ukuze nginilethele more content. Ngiyafisa ukuthi sireach a stage where I can actually give you at least 2 episodes or 2 something ezokuphilisa ngeviki, but because kusetshenziswa imali, ama resources and everything, I am unable to do that. But there is something that is coming up. The segment that is coming up nizoyibona shortly, ngeke ngisho ukuthi thini. It's coming up very soon, whereby sizobe sisiza khona abantu abanezinkinga, baby daddy, baby mama. Wena if you feel ukuthi mhlambe uzisole ngazi ukuthi uwendla ingane ngeyone yakho, ngicela ungithinte. Hala me 071 941 9417 071 941 9417. All you need to do, just send me a WhatsApp voice note, ingabi more than 5 minutes. Ubani wakabani, kwenzakalani, wondisa ingane ongayazi, ufuna i-DNA, just be very specific ukuthi ufuna kwenzakaleni. So that segment is coming up shortly, and we will follow up those cases. I am in negotiations with the lab that is going to help abantu ababondla izingane with a doubt ukuthi you are doubting ukuthi ingane yakho. I-lab will do testing, message qedile ukwenza testing, and then sonhlalisa phansi. Abasilandele from the beginning will know ukuthi at one point we even had a life coaches and abantu labo esiyonithatha sinise kubona uma ngabe sekufanele ukuthi nikhanselisho or nisizakala ukuze niqhubeke phambili nempilo, because ayikho ingane deserve ukungabi nababa ebe ephila edla anhlamvana. 1st of December, we are meeting up with the people bawi intersex community. Labantu laba bayadinga ukuthi basichazele kahle impilo yabo ukuze sifundiseke ngayo ukuze siyekele ukubacwasa. Another event is coming up. I don't have a date for it yet, whereby we'll be talking to people who are physically challenged. So labo bantu labo sizobe sinabo live, kodwa ke engicela uyibambe ile ka 1st of December. Nayi poster inama details ukuthi singena kanjani lapho, nifika kanjani lapho. The event is free of charge. What you are paying for here is the food that you will eat on the day. Ihotela ngeke liphakele mahala, and uzandila kanayo imali njengoba nami ngibheke kona nje ukuthi ningisize nami if you can. So you are not paying ukungena kwi event on the day, but you are paying for the meals that you will be given or that will be served to you on the day, because hotel is making money. They are in business. Bana sisikhathi entertain uzandile ofuna ukwenza ama event endaweni yabo just for free. Last but not least, we do events often. Ngiyacela ukuthi if you've got a specific skill onaso esihambisana nama event, hala me. I will let you know why you need to hala me, especially if you are a student esenza events management course. Please be in contact with me. I would like to give you experience. Let me be clear. I am not paying anything. I am helping you to get the experience. Take it as an unpaid internship. If you are an events management student that is in a particular university in this country and you are in Durban preferably, let me know. I might make use of your skills, and this might help you build up your CV and gain experience. But more than anything, I do appreciate you following me. I do appreciate you watching. Ngiyanicela Nkosi yami, don't skip the ads. Sekufike leso sikhathi ke sokuthi ningawaskip ama ads menibuka ama episodes. Watch everything noma uze ucofe nalo learn more button if you can. I'm joking. Kodwa yeah, if you can, please do that. Watch the ads, because we are now monetized. We are here to try and push and make sure whatever that we are going to get from YouTube now, it also goes a long way in terms of helping other people who are in need. More than anything, I love you. Keep watching.